witches and wizards, and welcome back to Love Good Bath Potions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Accio box unboxing. This one is for November 2018. Love Good Bath Potions is actually one of the products that is inside this box this month, so I'm really excited to see what else is inside. Let's get started. Whenever you order an Accio box, they ask you what house you're in. I'm Gryffindor, so I always get the red tissue paper for my house. It's just one of those little things that they do to customize it for you. Let's see what all is inside. So the first thing I see is Swooping Evil Venom. This is the product that I worked on all of last month, and I'm super excited to see it in this month's box. It still smells really good. It is in good shape. I'm glad it's not all over the package. I think that the label looks good. I think that it smells good. I really hope that other people enjoy these as well, because I worked really hard on putting these together for Accio box. Let's see what else is in here. Let's take all this crinkle paper out. Next thing that I see is a t-shirt. I did already see this on their Instagram. This is one of the spoilers that they had. DEMIGUISE Protection Society. And it has little DEMIGUISE on the front of it. It is so cute. This one is, oh, okay. This one is a medium. They said they're gonna send me a small this month, but you know me, I absolutely love my big baggy t-shirts, so I'm completely fine with this. The quality is really soft. It's kind of thin, but I live in Phoenix, Arizona, so I'm perfectly fine with that. And I think it's so cute. I love the gray. This is like perfect to put with anything, so I'm really excited to wear this. The next item that I see is, it says Muggle Worthy. Let's see, let's open it up. Let's find out. It looks like it could have been handmade, which you know I love. It also has a little Gryffindor button up on the top. I'm guessing this is the house item for this month. This is really cool. It looks like it might have been hand stitched. I'm probably gonna put this on my purse because my purse is all Gryffindor. It's a Gryffindor backpack, so this will go on there perfectly. The next item that I see is this adorable pin. It's a THESTRAL's pin. That's so cool. It looks like it has a little bit of green glitter in it. This is made by Oddment and Tweak. I think that's how you say it. That has really good details on it. I think this is adorable, and I think this is also perfect for the Crimes of Grindelwald movie that just came out, since he escapes on the THESTRALs. That's so cool. I'm gonna have to put it with all my other enamel pins that I've been collecting. I didn't used to collect them, but now, since Accio box, I do collect enamel pins, so this is gonna go with those. And let's see, the last thing I think is like I believe is a poster. Let's see which one. I got a Niffler poster. I saw on their Facebook page that they have one of 4 that you could get. I got Niffler, which I think this is so cute. Niffler, Nature's Treasure Hunters, located in underground Britain. I think this is adorable. I don't have anything Niffler yet, so this will be perfect. I thought there was supposed to be another little thing talking about the Protego Foundation. I saw it on Instagram, I saw a bunch of sneak peeks for it, and I don't think I got one. That's okay. I guess I don't need one. That's odd. Well, I guess I'll just talk about the Protego Foundation. It's on the back of the t-shirt. They did have a little like 4x6 picture, but Accio box teamed up with Protego Foundation. They work with Save the Chimps down in Florida. So $2 of every box that they sold this month went towards the Protego Foundation and helped save the chimps. So they donated almost $1,000, if not a whole $1,000, which, that's amazing. That's so amazing. Magical creatures and how to spot them. We thought this would be the perfect month to celebrate magic zoology. Why, you ask? Oh, no reason. It definitely doesn't have to do anything with a certain movie coming out. We hope you love this month's selections, all of which are themed around the fantastic beasts we've all come to know and love. And we know the folks at the Protego Foundation will appreciate your support, with 5 sickles, $2 US, from each box will be donated to their campaign to benefit Save the Chimps, a sanctuary in Florida that provides a lifetime care and lots of love around 250 chimpanzees rescued from a variety of situations. Show everyone you're serious about protecting magical creatures and their non-magical cousins with this DEMIGUISE Protection Society tee. Designed by the Protego Foundation, these tees are exclusive to the Accio box, and they tie directly into the Protego Fund's Dougal campaign, which relates the plight of chimps in the Muggle world to that of the Demiguises hunted for their magical pelts in the Wizarding world. See the included literature for more info on this campaign and how you can get involved, or visit theprotegofoundation.org. These adorable hand-cut keychains are the perfect homage to everyone's favorite Hufflepuff. Each one features a gold padlock labeled Muggle Worthy, and these snaps are customized to your house. Stitched with Love by Rachel of Tiger and the Tornado. You can find more of her nerdy designs from the variety of fandoms in our Etsy shop at tigerandthetornado.etsy.com. We knew we loved their pin designs, but when we met the folks of Oddment and Tweed this year at LeakyCon, we immediately knew we wanted to get them into a box somehow. Imagine our excitement when they offered to do an exclusive design of their Thestral pin just for Accio box subscribers. This gorgeous design features a glittering white eye that won't be reproduced for anyone else. You can find more at oddmentandtweak.bigcardle.com. Venom from Swooping Evil carries obliteratory properties that has potential to be dangerous. However, if diluted properly, user eliminate bad memories. We think it's the perfect inspiration for a relaxing salt soak, like this one from Love Good Bath Potions. It contains butterfly pea flower, a botanical full of antioxidants that will leave your bath water a lovely pale bluish purple. Just add a little bit to a hot bath and let your worries dissolve. Find more at lovegoodbathpotions.etsy.com. Explore forests, deserts, mountains, or caves. There is a place for you in the exciting field of magic zoology. Subscribers will each receive one of the 4 possible print designs. These exclusive pieces were designed in-house just for us and are inspired by vintage travel posters. Each features a different magical creature and location from around the world. All 4 designs will be available soon at our Etsy shop at theacciobox.etsy.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me opening up my November 2018 Accio box, Magical Creatures and How to Spot Them box. I'm so thankful that Accio box let Love Good Bath Potions be a part of this box this month. I had so much fun making all the bath products to go inside these boxes. I spent all of last month putting it together, so I'm so glad that they are finally created and that everyone can try them out now. I think that my favorite item this month would have to be the Thestral pin. I think that it looks really cool, and I think that it's also perfect for the Crimes of Grindelwald movie that just came out. Can't wait to put this on my little lanyard with all my other pins, and I'll definitely have to check out Oddment and Tweak, their Instagram. I've seen them around, but I don't follow them yet, so definitely gotta do that now. If you'd like to get your own Accio box, make sure to use code LOVEGOOD to get 15% off of your first order. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.